Had I not had a Ring camera, TikToker says, she caught a real estate agent showing her house even though it wasn't for sale.
A Ring camera.
Yeah, the camera at the front door, the doorbell camera.
Mm-hmm.
Why would the real estate agent even want to do that? The incident, she says, was caught by her camera and shared the footage on TikTok. In the video, the apparent real estate agent walks up to the door, rings the doorbell before waiting for his clients. No one is home. I'm thinking there may be a religious group or a salesman. When the clients arrive, they walk over to the side of the house. The homeowner then sets an alarm, causing them to return to the front of the house. The realtor, however, enters the home through the back door to let the clients through the front. Does he have the wrong place?
He must have the wrong place.
I think so.
He just got the wrong house.
Yeah.
It's still weird.
What does he have to gain?
Once the alarm's going off and you're going in the back door, you got to be a little...
Don't do that.
Yeah, exactly. You got to have a little second analysis and say, wait, maybe I'm not supposed to be in here. Maybe I better go next door or something.
Mm-hmm.
But it's true. If she or he did not have the camera, then the showing would have just taken place.
There's a lineup of people outside, potential buyers.
Right. Yeah.
Just looking at the house.
He's like, I can show you the outside. They're like, nice house on the outside. It looks like a house to me. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty freaky.
It's pretty weird. Definitely weird. Did they say, did they find out? Did he get confronted? Or now, mind you, my dog is home. Apparently not a very good guard dog. No, definitely not. In a follow-up video, TikToker shows police arriving just as the realtor and clients are backing out of the driveway. She called the police as soon as they entered the house and left work to head home. Okay, so I guess the cops did show up. Because I guess there would also not be a way. I guess you would assume it was a real estate agent, the way he was presenting with a folder, but you don't know for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing was stolen from the home.
Pretending to be a real estate agent just to get inside.
Maybe. Yeah. I don't believe that they were casing my house or trying to sell my house out from under me. He did seem sincere. The real estate agent said he was supposed to be showing the home next door. Yeah, there you go. And it was an accident. Yeah. He also said the neighbor told him to enter through the back door. Yeah, it's a mistake. What can you really do? I mean, it's obviously you wouldn't want it to have it happen, but it was a mistake.
But Ring camera saved the day, I guess.
Yeah, certainly helped out.
Nice to have.